Hello and welcome. This is Felix speaking from easybits, and today I'll be sharing a workflow with you that I've recently built. It's a batch business card scanner, so it comes in handy if you are attending a lot of different events, if you have a lot of different business cards and you are searching for an easy and fast solution to digitalize the contacts from these business cards. In this video, I will first talk about the features that this workflow offers. Then we will perform one test run together so you can kind of develop an understanding of how this works for the end user. And in the end, I will also make sure to share the workflow JSON with you in the description of this video. So make sure you check it out and let's just get right into it. First of all, what sets this apart from other solutions on the market is definitely the batch processing part. Existing solutions on the market would only allow you to take one photo of one business card, you upload it one by one, and you get the contacts back. That, to my liking, doesn't really change the manual process behind it. It just changes what you are doing, but you still have to go one by one. So I took a kind of different route. I thought it would make more sense if you could take one big photo with multiple business cards on it, and then you could just extract all the contacts and get the single contacts back. And this is actually what this workflow is doing. So as you can see, I use the Telegram trigger for the beginning and the initial phase of this workflow. In Telegram, you can just send the photo that you made from multiple business cards. It will then forward the photo to our extractor. All the contacts get extracted from the photo. We split it into individual contacts and then we add a match key for new contacts. We also do the same for this branch for existing contacts. So what I also built in is a duplicate detector that filters out contacts that we already have in the database. From there, the unique contacts get saved to the database. Let's just head over shortly so I can show it to you. As you can see, I have all the data points here that I will be getting from the business cards. So it saves it in there and then it hands it over to our built vCard file node. What is a vCard file? So if you get a vCard file on an iPhone and you open it, you actually get a nice overview of the contact and it already looks like it's in your contact library on the iPhone. You just have to click save to make it really simple to save these contacts. And from there, the single vCard one by one gets sent back through Telegram to the user that initially sent the photo to the Telegram bot. So that's it with the workflow. Let's head over to my Telegram bot that I already opened here. I will also show you the example picture that I will be uploading in this bot. So you can see 8 different business cards and let's just get right into it. I will now click execute workflow. So the trigger is listening. I can now just drag this in here. I can upload the picture. As you can see, the upload started and now the uploaded picture is in the workflow. So the extractor now takes care of it. And then we will end up having all these single contacts one by one in our Telegram channel, which is a great and efficient way of digitalizing business cards. Now let's wait shortly for the extractor to perform its magic. As you can see, it's now doing the extraction. Now it's splitting up. As you can see, there were no existing contacts yet in the database. It saved all contacts in the database. And as we still remember, we had 8 business cards on there. So let's head over to the database and we can see it extracted 8 different contacts with all the data points that I wanted. So that's great. And then it sent it back to the Telegram. Let's head over to the Telegram bot. And as we can see, let's first count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we got all the contacts in our Telegram channel now. We can now decide which ones we really want to save, which ones we just leave in the Telegram channel here, and then we can go from there. So I hope you see the value and you like this workflow. If you like it, make sure to check the description. I will be sharing, as mentioned, the workflow JSON there, and then we will see each other in the next video about my next workflow. Have a great rest of your day, and thank you for being with me. Bye.